Extra. Read all about it. You are in more shit than you know.
Guilty as charged.
Guilty? You change your profession to judge now?
Judge, jury, executioner.
Careful, Savage. Me I beg you, make sure you know what you are doing. Me not say Mullins is a saint, you know. But me no feel him want hurt you.
Angie, you know the only innocent people on this planet? Babies. Them the judgmental. And them always honest. But you see, adults, them are the worst. Them lie, cheat, steal, hurt, and kill. It's because of that, me not trust none of them.
I want you to remember one thing. You are an adult too. You have done all of the above. So what you gonna say? Them they deserve it? And if that's you gonna say, who are you to determine who lives and who dies? Them say, let he who is without sin cast the first stone. Mullins can't cast it. You can't cast it. And you can't cast it.
Let me bring you up to speed. You see Martin, Tony, I knew them well. They were in a team that I led. Tony was the rookie. Martin was my second in command. Now let me tell you where all the pieces are. I'll try to do this slowly so you don't miss anything. Tony and Martin wanted to keep doing what we were doing when we were undercover. The money was too good. I said no, they disappeared. Well, guess what? You disappeared with them. Now, don't cry yet, sweetheart. There's more than enough time to weep. And trust me, enough tears to go around. Now follow me closely. Tony got tired of playing second fiddle to Martin. Savage arrived in New York and Tony helped him do the impossible. Get next to Martin. Yes, the information that sent Savage to Martin was supplied by Tony. Oh yeah. Oh, there's more. He then decided he needed to tie up all loose ends. So we get rid of Savage because he knows who led him to Martin. And then there is you.
Me? What do you mean?
Yes, because you know that Tony exists and he can't take the risk that somebody might tap into your knowledge. So he sends you on a wild goose chase to find Savage.
He used me?
Oh, he hasn't finished yet. The same way you tried to use me. But let me explain how that works. Zero was supposed to get rid of Savage. His infatuation with Bubbles was sideshow. And when he finished Savage, he was supposed to get rid of you.